No. Okay, on this video I'm going to show you how to create a post. Now a post is items that appear in the member only section. So their posts appear in the clinical zone, all these sections here, dispensary management zone, HR zone and the IMPF, etc. So the process for adding a post is quite similar to adding a news story, but just you need to basically bring up a different template. So we're in our editing suite here. You can see that because you've got this black bar up here. It's the same process for getting into that as for a news story. Just log in and it will come up. So how you want to add a post is you go up to new, and instead of pulling up and add news, you add a post. So click on that, and the post template will appear. As you can see, it says at the top there, add new post, and it's just got a single bar here as opposed to the news story templates which have two bars. So what you would want to do is put your post name in, always put your title in first. So for this, for example, we'll call this prices, England adjusted prices. These are quite common. Okay, and you'll have your text here, so I'll just write the word text here. Okay, so as you can see here, here's your permalink has come up here to match your title. There's your text. Right, another difference with news stories is that you'll see that you've got categories here, and you need to add categories because basically this tells the system where to put your post. Okay, so when we do adjusted prices, essentially these go into the dispensary management zone drug tariff updates. So you wheel down here and it brings up all the categories that you have, and if I go down a little bit further, you'll see here drug tariff updates. Okay, so you just click on that and check it, and then when it comes to doing the scheduling, it's the same as for a news story. So if you want to schedule in advance, just click on that, pull down the date that you want to schedule it and the time you want to schedule it, as you did before with the news story. Just overwrite it. So if I want this to publish on Monday, that would be June the 13th, in the middle of the night, 00, and publish on that, and it will move to scheduled. As you can see, you can tell you've categorized it correctly because here it says dispensary management zone drug tariff update. And if I ask to preview post, which you can do to check you've put it in the right place, you can see here that it's appearing in the right section that I asked it to. So drug tariff updates, and when it publishes, it will publish on the top here. The reason it's not here at the moment is because it's only scheduled. If it was a real-time publication, it would appear there. So that's it for publishing a post. Alternatively, you can go into it a different way. If you pull down your dashboard here, it's called resources, add a resource. If I click on that, it will bring up the post template. It's the same thing, it's just a different way of doing it. Okay, that's it for this post.